Hello and welcome to part 3 of operations on matrices. In part 1, we looked at multiplication of matrices. Part 2, addition of matrices. So today in this video, we are going to look at subtraction of matrices, where we are going to perform subtraction on 2 or 3 matrices. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. Okay, so in order to perform an operation on matrix, first switch to the matrix mode. That is by clicking on the mode and then 6 corresponding to matrix. Now there are 3 variables: variable mat A, mat B, and mat C. So we are going to assign values to these variables, call on them to perform operations. So we're going to first assign values to variable mat A, which corresponds to 1. In our previous videos, we mostly use 3 by 3. So in this video, we're going to subtract from matrices of order 3 by 2. But remember, the 2 matrices must have the same order. So we are going to use 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. So to call on that, press on 2, input our values, click on AC. Now we assign values to the second variable, in this case going to be variable mat B. So same process, click on shift +4, click on 1, which is DIM, and then we click on 2 corresponding to variable mat B. Choose the same order, 3 by 2 corresponding to 2, and then assign our values. So after assigning our values, click on AC. Now we are going to call on those 2 variables and perform an operation on them, which is subtraction. So shift +4, call on the first variable mat A corresponding to 3, call on the second variable, which is mat B. But because we are going to perform subtraction, we first click on our subtraction button and then shift 4, call on the second variable mat B, 4. Now press equal to. So this is the answer. AC, shift 4, go to 1, go to 3. We are going to assign values to mat C, which is 3. Choose the same order, which is 3 by 2, 3 rows by 2 columns, 2, and assign a value. AC. In our previous video, we looked at pressing the back button to call on the initial or previously performed function, so that we don't have to retype everything again. So I'm going to call on that function by clicking on the back button, which is mat A minus mat B. Also, this operations answer is assigned to the variable mat answer. Shift 4. You can see variable mat answer here. That's the answer to that operation is assigned to it. So we are going to first use mat answer and then use that operation and compare the 2 answers. So 6 ratios mat answer, that is mat A minus mat B, and then minus shift 4, call on the third variable, that is 5 mat C, equal to. So we have -3, -6, 1, 1, -8, and -4. So -3, -6, 1, 1, minus 8, and minus 4. AC. Now we're going to rewrite the first one. Shift 4, 3, that is mat A, minus shift 4, 4, mat B, shift 4, and 5, mat C. Introduce our subtraction sign. You can see this took a lot of time, but this mat A minus mat B was assigned to the mat answer, which we had to call only one variable. So we're going to click on equal to now and see if it corresponds to the initial answer we had using the mat answer, which is the same. Minus 3, minus 6, 1, 1, minus 4, and minus 8, which was the same as when we used the mat answer. Now, the mat answer is no longer matrix A minus matrix B. This time, mat answer is matrix A minus matrix B minus matrix C. So anytime you perform an operation, the answer to that operation is assigned to the mat answer. So when we click on equal to, we have minus 3, minus 6, 1, 1, minus 8, and minus 4. So AC, you're going to call on mat answer and compare the answers with what we had initially. So 6 corresponding to mat answer. When we press equal to, we see that it's the same as matrix A minus matrix B minus matrix C, which is minus 3, minus 6, 1, 1, minus 8, and minus 4. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, also the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also comment in the comment section below, and also the links to the videos that I've already made are going to be provided in the description below. Addition of matrices, multiplication of matrices, finding the inverse of a matrix, introduction to matrices, all that are going to be provided in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.